boys and girls, welcome to Wednesday's math. Today we're going to be talking about greater than, less than, and equal to. So let's read this for just a second. Joy and Zach flipped 3 number cards. Then they each made a number. Joy made 501. So that'd be 500s, 0 10s, and 1 1. Zach made 510. 500s, 110, and 0 1s. Remember, yesterday you worked on writing that out in expanded form. 500 plus 0 plus 1 equals 501. This would be 500 plus 110 plus 0 1s. That's going to get 510. So now, which one is greater? Greater means bigger. Which one's the bigger number? We start with our biggest place value, so our hundreds. They're the same, so we can't tell. Then we move to our tens. Which one has more tens? 501 or 510? 510 is bigger. So 510 is greater than 501. And we know that because we look at the place values. We start with the biggest place value and work our way down to the smallest until we can find the difference. Now remember, on all of these sheets, we are skipping the convince me's and the odds. So we're skipping 1. So let's look at number 2. We have 816 and 819. Now remember, our alligator wants to eat the biggest number, so its mouth is going to open up to whatever number is bigger. So let's compare at the hundreds. They both have 800s. Okay, so we can't find a difference there. Now let's go to the tens. They both have 110. Okay, which means we now have to go to the ones. Oop, one has 6 and one has 9. Which one is greater? The 6 or the 9? Which one's bigger? The 9 is. So my alligator wants to eat the biggest number. And if you want to draw teeth in there, you can. Okay, so your alligator's eating the bigger number, so it's greater than. So 816 is less than 819. And you don't have to write anything on that line, okay? I just want you to think about it. Okay, remember you skip 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 on this page. Okay, so let's do number 4 together, and the rest you're going to do on your own. Okay, we start at the hundreds. They both have 2. Now we go to the tens. One has 5 and one has 4. 5 is greater, so my alligator wants to eat the bigger number. Okay, so 256 is greater than 243. If they're equal to, what I want you to do is you write this, okay? The alligator eats the bigger number. If they are the exact same number, you write they are equal to each other. Okay, so number 5, I know that we aren't doing that one, but take a look. The numbers are the exact same. 800s, 3 10s, 7 1s. 800s, 3 10s, 7 1s. So in that circle, I would put equal to. Down below on number 12, you're going to find one number that will make all 3 comparisons true, okay? You don't have to find the same number. I'm going to let you pick different numbers, okay? But take a look. What's a number that's less than 111? Okay, you're going to write it there. What's a number that's bigger than 109? And what's a number that's equal to 110? All right, now flip your page. Okay, we're going to do the back. And you get to skip numbers 13 and 15 on the back. Okay, so right here, you're going to do greater than, less than, or equal to, and then who earned more pennies. Then you need to figure out which coin makes sense. It says the 2 numbers have the same digits. The hundreds digits are the same. The tens and ones digits are in different orders. Okay, so which 2 numbers could that be? This isn't bonus. If you can figure it out, great. If you need to skip it, go ahead. Now, flip over to lesson 9-9. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast for you. Okay? You get to choose what is the number that is greater than 256. Well, I'm going to stay in the 200s, 5 10s, and I'm just going to look at my ones. What's the number that's bigger than 6? 7, 257. What is the number that is less than 256? Well, I'm going to keep my hundreds and tens the same. Well, what's 1 less than 6? 5. 255 is less than 256. You do not have to show it on the number line. Turn the page again, please. And remember, we're skipping all of the odds and the convince me. So cross off the convince me. You're gonna cross off number 1, 3, and 5. And you get to write any number that makes these true. Okay? So what is a number that's less than 470? What's a number that's greater than 263? What number is equal to 684? You guys are going to fly through all of this because this is kind of a review. We're just working on bigger numbers now. Okay, you're also going to do the same thing except you're skipping 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17. 16 and 18, you're drawing that alligator mouth again or the equal to sign. Okay, skip number 19. Turn the page. This is the last page. And you guys, like I said, are going to fly through this. Number 20. Kim is thinking of a number. It is greater than 447. Greater than means bigger. It is less than 635. What could the number be? You need to think of a number that fits. Okay, skip number 21. Number 22, you do not have to explain how you know, but Monty picked a number card. The number is greater than 282. It is less than 284. What is the number? And you can skip number 23. And that is the end of our packet. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or an email or meet up with me on Zoom. Keep working hard, boys and girls. I really appreciate it.